In this video, we will show you how to assemble your Greenworks pressure washer. We will feature model GPW2301. However, this guide can be followed for all pressure washers of this style. Warning: this video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. Tools required. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver. Let's get started. Unpacking. Cut the tape and open the box. Remove the manual along with the packing material and any loose, unassembled parts. There is a nozzle cleaning tool in the bag with the manual. Carefully lift the pressure washer out of the box and set it down. Finish removing the packing material. Inspect the unit and its parts to confirm that no damage has occurred. Keep the box and packing material until you have operated the product and confirmed it works properly. Install the upper panel. Align the screw sleeves of the upper panel with the screw holes on the handle frame. With the panel facing down, insert 2 of the coarse-threaded screws through the 2 holes on the left of the handle. Tighten each screw using a Phillips head screwdriver. Install the gun holder. Align the screw sleeves of the spray gun holder with the 2 remaining holes on the back side of the handle. Insert 2 of the coarse-threaded screws through the holes on the gun holder and tighten with the Phillips screwdriver. Install the power cord storage arms. Align the cord arm basement with the threaded insert on one side of the lower handle. Place the power cord storage arm onto the base facing upward. With the washer on the screw, insert the screw through the cord arm assembly and tighten it with a Phillips head screwdriver. Repeat this process on the other side. Installing the handle. Position the upper handle and align the holes on the upper and lower handles. Insert the handle bolts and tighten the knobs to secure them. Wrap the cord around the power cord storage arms. Hang the hose on the upper panel. Install the wand. If your wand came with a protective cover on one end, this must be removed. Push the threaded side of the wand into the end of the spray gun and screw it on until secure. Place the gun into the gun holder. Unpack the turbo nozzle and install it in the remaining rubber grommet on the upper panel. For videos on how to maintain and operate your pressure washer, proceed to our YouTube page. Properly maintained, your Greenworks pressure washer will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.